Good morning class. We are going to discuss about the principle of Fayol. Third principle of Fayol is principle of discipline. Discipline refers to general rules and regulation for systematic working in an organization. Discipline does not mean only rules and regulation, but it also means developing commitment in employees towards the organization as well as towards each other. Fayol insists that discipline is required at supervisory as well as subordinate level. The discipline rule shall not be applicable only on subordinate, but discipline require good superior at every level. Clear and fair agreement between superior and subordinate. Yet now yes, next principle is of Fayol is discipline. Fayol explained that at all the three level, top, middle and bottom, there should be a discipline, and if there will not be a discipline, then organization will not be able to achieve its target. Positive effect of this principle is systematic working in the organization, and it also improves efficiency. If there will be a discipline in the organization, then work will be completed systematically and in well manner. Then what if we did not follow this principle? Then it will lead to disorder, confusion and chaos. Again, there will be a wastage of resources in absence of discipline. So discipline is very necessary. Next principle is unity of command. According to this principle, an employee should receive order from only one boss, because if he is receiving order from more than one boss, then he will get confused and will not be able to understand that whose order must be executed first. And on the other hand, if employee is receiving order from more bosses, he gets chance to give excuses by saying that he was busy in executing the order of the other boss. Yes, it is also very important principle of Fayol, which suggests that there should be only one boss or one boss only in the organization, so that employee get clear instruction from one boss. If there will be more boss, then employee will get confused. So simple thing. And second drawback is he can take undue advantage of this situation. Okay, some positive effect of this principle are: positive effect of this principle is no confusion in mind of subordinate, obviously. Then no ego clashes and improve efficiency in effectiveness in working. Okay, if employee is getting order from one boss, then it will not lead to a situation of chaos. Okay, and employee will work efficiently and effectively. Okay, what will happen if you violate this principle? It will confuse, it will create confusion in the mind of employees. Okay, then ego clashes among the different superiors. Yes, this is the most important point of violating this principle. Ego, when you are at higher post, ego is a big problem. So higher level employee or higher level officer will suffer from this problem. So this principle is also very important in organization. I hope these two principles are clear to you. If you have any doubt, then you can ask. Thank you so much.